Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and now today, my friends, we are making chicken enchiladas. Now, in my last video, I showed you how to make the enchilada sauce, the red sauce. That was easy, that was delicious, and that is perfect to use with these enchiladas. Now, as promised, I told you I was going to make them and show you how I prepare it my favorite way. It is not authentic by no means, but it is my favorite way in how to prepare it. And now I'm going to show you how to begin this process. So now we're going to just start off cooking the chicken breasts, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So now let's begin. Okay, my friends, using one of my favorite old pots that I absolutely love, and it took a really hard beating, but it works so well, and why would I want to buy brand new pots every single time, right? I'm going to cook this on a medium high and boil for a good 30 to 40 minutes or until our chicken breast is fully cooked through. Alright guys, so I have my chicken breast here, and I have two big chicken breasts that I cut in two pieces, so it looks like I have 4 pieces, and it is with no bone, but there is very little fat on it, and I just kept it there so it can flavor up the broth. You can definitely keep this chicken broth once this chicken is done and use it to make your enchilada sauce. That will be so yummy, using actually real chicken broth for this. And right here, just a simple seasonings just to season up our chicken broth. We are using salt. Right here I have some salt. I have some dry onion flakes, black pepper, and oregano. Simple. And this is going to flavor up our broth. You never want to boil your chicken without some flavor. And then I have 1 garlic clove that I am going to grate it up right in the water just to give it some nice flavor as this is cooking. As simple as that. Now, because chicken breast is so dry piece of white meat, I'm just going to put a tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can omit this if you want to, but my chicken, I don't like it to come out dry. I want it to be moist, and this is all that I am doing right now. So I'm just going to wait for 30 minutes until my chicken is fully cooked through. I see you right back. Alright, my friends, my chicken breast has been boiling away, and it's cooked up nicely. It smells so good, guys. This right here, this broth is full of flavor. I'm telling you right now, if you're not going to use it for making enchilada sauce, then use it for anything else that calls for chicken broth. You can certainly strain this to pick up any bits, and you'll have yourself some all-natural, delicious chicken broth. Alright guys, so by the way, I'm using the same plate that I had earlier. I just finished cleaning it. Now I'm just going to store my chicken in here, allow them to cool off completely, and then I'm going to begin shredding them. Alright my friends, so right after you finish shredding your chicken breast, now it's time to season it just a little bit more. And this is what I'm going to be using. I have some fresh cilantro. I'm going to be using maybe about a tablespoon or so. You can use as much or as little or whatever you like. This is just my take on it. Right here I have 1 clove of garlic and some scallions. Now the reason why I use scallions is because I don't want the heavy taste of onions. And scallions, it has a nice fresh but mild onion flavor. So that's what I am using today. And I'm going to use all of it because it's just so good. Now I have a tablespoon of oil just to help mix everything together. It's just corn oil. You can use You can use whatever oil you like. And then over here I have salt, pepper, garlic powder, cumin, and smoked paprika. You know, I always get that seasoning all mixed up. So I'm gonna leave you with the measurements and everything in the description box below. So don't you worry. And then just give it a good mix. Alright guys, so in this next step we're gonna need some corn tortillas, and right here I'm gonna show you. They are pretty stiff, not so much pliable, and we need to fry them just to soften them up. This is the way that this recipe goes, and I have quite a few, and you're just gonna need as much as you feel that you're gonna need to fill up your fillings with. So I am going to show you how to do that. Alright my friends, I have a pan filled with corn oil, and I'm gonna lightly fry them. My heat is on a medium high. We just want to fry them up until they got warm through. Really, it just needs to be warmed up, not really hard. And it's just gonna take a few seconds. You can turn them up, turn them over, and that's it. When you see little bubbles forming, that's it. Just a few seconds, 10 seconds the most. Get your other plate ready to put them in, and continuing on with as much as you think you're gonna need to make this dish. Okay guys, now let's begin. Wow, this is almost the last phase besides baking it. Just make sure that your oven is already preheated at 350. And now we will begin. Now after you finish slightly frying up your tortillas, you're gonna need some clean hands for this job, because it's a very involved with your hands type of recipe. Remember, I'm gonna leave you the link to my homemade enchilada sauce, the chicken that we had made and I seasoned up, you saw, and I have a blend of mozzarella cheese and mild cheddar cheese. So now let's begin. So you're gonna take one tortilla and you're gonna dip it. I'm telling you, it's a very involved and messy recipe, so make sure your hands are clean for the job. Alright, I'm just gonna make sure that it is fully with the sauce, both sides. This is the way to do it, my friends. You're gonna take some chicken, and you're gonna be generous according to what you want to do. Put as little or as much as you like. Then I'm just gonna put a little bit of cheese, not too much, because I am gonna put some cheese on top before I put this in the oven. So you use your discretion of how little or much you want each enchilada to have, and then you just give it a roll. And you see, because we had cooked this before, it's easy to roll these just like so. Then we're gonna put this in our baking dish. Yes, a nice baking dish, and we're gonna pile it up just like this. Alright, I'm gonna continuing on, and I'll see you right back. After you finish making your layers, I didn't overlap them too much, but every free layer, free area I have, I just put 2 there. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of sauce on top. It's up to you if you want it really saucy. Just figured, let me just put some on top. Why not? So as I do that, I am going to put cheese. More cheese, because, well, why not, right? So I am going to put both of my cheeses. You can use whatever cheese you like. This is going to go in the oven simply just to melt down, because everything is already cooked. And I cannot wait to have a bite of this. Alright, my friends, I'll see you right back when this is done. Alright, my friends, wow, my enchiladas are done. They smell insanely good. They're bubbly. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can still hear it bubbly. And I'm just going to put a little bit of fresh cilantro on top. This, my friends, can feed an army. It's perfect for a gathering. Your family will love it. You will love it too. Alright, now let's cut in. Okay guys, I am going to serve me up a delicious one. I'm going to take the corner right here. It's just screaming out my name. Delicious. Wow, look at that. Oh, I'm going to break its butts. Who cares, right? Okay. Ooh, look at that deliciousness right there, my friends. And yeah. And I usually like to cook it and have some sour cream right on top. That's the way I like it. Now let's do a taste test. And look at that deliciousness right there. You see that cheesy, saucy, and meaty with the chicken? Oh, so good. Let's do a taste test. Alright, my friends, it is time to do a taste test. Let me just let you know that my family loves this. I already told you it's my favorite way of doing it. And they are so satisfied with this, so they even went for seconds. Let's do a taste test. I love it with some sour cream. Hits it right on the spot. Let me just take another spoon for good measure. It's so much full of flavor. Thank you guys for joining me today. I really do hope you guys give it a try. It's a little bit different than the authentic version. I put my little spin on it. This is my favorite way. My family loves it, and I know you're gonna love it too. Make a big batch. Share it among your friends, your family, the holidays, whenever it is your turn to bring a dish. Make this. I'm telling you, mark my words, this is delicious, and your guests and your family will love it. So thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Share, subscribe. Don't forget to visit me on my social media sites. I got Facebook, I got Twitter, I got Instagram. I want to hear from you, each and every one of you. I pray that everyone has a blessed day, and I will see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.